Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in your Go Mutual Funds account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your bank account as well. First of all, just open up your Google browser and then go onto its search bar and just type for Go Mutual Funds login and hit on enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the first link that shows up, and this will take you to the official website of Go Mutual Funds. And here on the top right corner of your screen, you can see this personal icon. Tap on it, and this pop-up will be on your screen, and then hit on login. After you do so, you'll be taken to a different page where now you need to input your credentials in order to log in to your account. And here on the left hand side, you can see a box called sign in to input your personal information. Just type in your username and password. But in case you forgot your password, you can use this button forgot password to help you reset and retrieve it. After inputting your username and password, then just tap on sign in, and then you'll be signed in into your Go Mutual Funds account. And that's how you can sign in into your mutual funds account. This one's for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.